Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Aaron Watkins, and we are here on the lawn at the bandshell for the Brick Celebrate Brooklyn Festival. Now, later tonight, the Soul Rebels are going to take the stage, but right now, we have 5 of the 8 members, and we're going to see why they celebrate Brooklyn. You guys have performed on some of the biggest stages. You have performed on multiple continents. You performed with some of the biggest acts in music. What is it about the New Orleans funk that you're bringing like nobody else?
I mean, it's just the rhythm, it's the music, the horns.
Is it the horns?
It's just been.
Is it the horns? I mean,
It's just
It's
being
no
from
boundaries,
New Orleans.
man.
It's
It's
so much.
limitless.
Yeah, it's in New Orleans. We hear so many, different music. To survive in New Orleans as a musician, you have to be, be able to play different styles of music.
Okay.
So a lot of places they might look at it as horns. That's something different. With this genre of music, but in New Orleans, we're always touching on different genres of music in New Orleans. So for us to get on stage with, like you said, Macklemore or Metallica,
or Nas, or
we look at it as it's all music. We don't look at it as nothing is separate for as this instrument doesn't go with this style of music. We look at it as all music. So we figure if we get on stage, we can rock with anybody.
Well, New Orleans and Brooklyn like to consider themselves sister cities. You know what I'm saying?
For
Definitely
sure.
places of culture and food and music. In your opinion, what are some of the similarities between the two areas?
Oh, definitely the authenticity and the culture, and the food, as you said. And I kind of like the style and the tempo of the people. I mean, fresh to death always, and kind of always on the edge.
All right. Well, we're gonna work on getting Big Cheeky some red beans and rice. I heard he loves some red beans and rice. Go ahead and get this man some red beans and rice. And can we get a little sample? Just a little sample. I know we don't have everybody here.
Yeah.
But can we get a little sample for the people?
3.